Will AI really take over the world? That's the big question on everyone's mind. Some say AI is the future, others fear it's the end of human jobs, or worse, humanity itself. Stay with me as we uncover the shocking truth. AI isn't just a futuristic idea, it's been in the making for decades. From simple calculators to today's self-learning machines, AI has come a long way. But how did we go from basic code to AI that can hold conversations and create art? Think about how AI-powered voice assistants like Siri and Alexa have become part of daily life. Just a few years ago, this was sci-fi. One of the biggest fears? Jobs. AI is already replacing customer service agents, factory workers, and even artists. Experts predict that millions of jobs could disappear in the next decade. But should we really be afraid? Or will AI create more opportunities instead? McDonald's now has AI-powered kiosks taking orders, no human cashier needed. Will your job be next? AI isn't just fun and games, there's a dark side. Deepfake tech is creating fake videos that look real. AI is spreading misinformation at lightning speed, and some experts warn AI could be hacked and turned against us. Could AI become too powerful for humans to control? A deepfake of a politician once went viral, almost fooling the world. Imagine the chaos if AI can rewrite history. Some scientists believe we are heading toward artificial general intelligence, AI that can think, learn, and even make decisions like a human. Elon Musk has warned that AI could surpass human intelligence and become uncontrollable. Is this just paranoia, or are we playing with fire? AI is a tool. It can be dangerous, but it can also be life-changing. It's up to us to use it responsibly. So, will AI take over, or will humans stay in control? The future is uncertain, but one thing is clear: AI is here to stay. What do you think? Drop a comment below. AI is already saving lives, detecting cancer, preventing fraud, and even stopping cybercrimes in real time. If you found this video mind-blowing, hit the like button and subscribe. AI is moving fast, and you don't want to be left behind.